Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cubot Max 3 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those numbers, and the first one requires a secret code and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the quicker option with the secret code. We have to open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter the number, tap on the keypad. And here let's enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me go back and show you the second way of checking those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down again to enter About Phone. And right here we have to scroll down in order to check both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, because as you can see it's not here, you have to enter the model and hardware, and the serial number will appear. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number using two different ways in your Cubot Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.